You know that sound. That is the fun music for the 8th annual Joann Fall Stitch Along. I'm your host Mikey, joined with Tamara, and together with her, we're going to have a great fall as we go through 4 weeks. I got you for the first 2, and Tamara has you for the second 2. We have 2 great blankets in order to show you, to showcase your creativity. And when I saw these examples, I'm like, how did they do that? Which makes it a great stitch along. Let me show you. My version will be in 2 different yarns. So you can either choose Bernat Blanket Perfect Phasing, or you can choose Bernat Plush yarn. Both have very different properties, both feel completely different, but both are equally fabulous. Now this version that I'm wearing here is going to be presented in 3 different colors. So you can either do 5 balls of fuchsia, or 5 balls of dark orchid, or 5 balls of dark blue. And either way, you get this amazing blanket that looks just like this. But wait, let me show you the plush version. This here is Bernat Plush yarn. It takes 9 balls of these, and this is in the color Spruce. This here is a heavy blanket. So if you like a good weighted blanket, but also a little bit airy, just like this, and the stitch work is just fabulous, this would be a great example to work with. The secret to this yarn is the way that it is now phasing. The colors just don't jump in shades. It literally transitions from a dark color all the way to the light. When you're using this yarn, you'll want to either use from the outside of the ball and then work your way inward, and then the next ball you have, you work from the inward working out to give it the gradation look that you have. Now the Bernat Plush yarn that you have here, this here is like a really soft cording yarn, and it's really quite fun, and it's really quite squishy, but you can feel the weight of this ball, so which makes sense because the blanket is really quite weighted itself, and I think this one's kind of a fun one to play with. I'm actually really quite intrigued by this yarn. So if my project didn't wet your whistle, or you want to add a second project for your gift giving or just something special for yourself, we have a smaller blanket for the second half, and this is called the Bernat Flower Burst Crochet Lapgan. Tamara will be hosting you throughout that stitch along, going for the final 2 weeks. This one here, there's 2 different examples, one with Bernat Blanket Perfect Phasing, and the other one with Bernat Plush yarn. The common element to both of these blankets is that the stitch work is very repetitive. So it allows you to kind of relax, think, watch TV, maybe meditate, and just be able to bring yourself a perfect calm this fall. So both of these Afghans have that element to it, and you're going to notice is that there's going to be written instructions, crochet diagrams, and also, yes, video tutorials in order to help you. You can join us on our Facebook group, and this is a wonderful opportunity. You can see a link in the more information of this video if you'd like to join us over there, and it's all things stitch along, so you'll find the previous stitch alongs on the same group, and you can communicate and talk and share your creativity with others. So what do you say? Why don't you join Tamara and I, grab some yarn, and let's play together. You can either go to Joann retail stores near you, or you can order through joann.com. We are going to be standing right here waiting for you. We have everything ready to go, and we are super stoked. If you'd like to share your creativity with us, please use our hashtags of Handmade with Joann, and we'll see you on the kickoff day on September 25th. Bye-bye now.